You're cruising along, music up, sun shining, everything's perfect. Suddenly, an orange engine-shaped light pops up on your dashboard. Your heart sinks. Is it serious? Should you pull over? Panic sets in. But here's the truth. The check engine light isn't a disaster. Most of the time, it's a simple, affordable fix. Sometimes just a loose gas cap. Ignoring it can turn a small problem into a big, expensive one. Knowledge is your best tool. Your car's onboard diagnostic system stores a code to help you pinpoint the issue. With a simple OBD scanner, you can read the code in minutes. We'll show you how, so next time, you'll handle that light with confidence. Don't let fear drive. Let's get smart about that little orange light together. First, check if the light is steady or flashing. A solid light means a non-emergency. Something needs attention, but you can keep driving for now. It could be as simple as a loose gas cap. If the light is flashing, that's a red alert. Stop driving immediately. A flashing light usually means a severe engine misfire, which can destroy your catalytic converter fast. Pull over safely, turn off the engine, and call for a tow. Don't risk a minor issue turning into a major expensive repair. Remember, steady means check soon. Flashing means stop now. Knowing the difference can save you thousands. When your check engine light comes on, it can be alarming, but most of the time, it's triggered by simple everyday issues that are easy to fix if you know where to look. The most common culprit, a loose or faulty gas cap. This small part keeps fuel vapor sealed inside your tank. If it's not tight, your car's computer senses a leak and triggers the warning. Just tightening or replacing the cap can often solve the problem instantly. Another frequent offender is the oxygen sensor. These sensors monitor the air-fuel mixture to help your car run efficiently, but over time, they can get dirty or wear out, especially if you drive a lot or use lower quality fuel. When oxygen sensors go bad, your fuel economy drops, and emissions increase. Fortunately, replacing them is a straightforward job for most mechanics, and it can quickly restore your car's performance. Spark plugs and ignition coils are also frequent troublemakers. These parts are essential for igniting the fuel in your engine, and when they start to fail, you'll notice rough idling, hesitation, or even stalling. Worn plugs can cause misfires, poor acceleration, and overall sluggish performance. Ignoring them can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. That's why it's important to replace spark plugs and ignition coils as part of your regular maintenance schedule, keeping your engine running smoothly. On the more serious side, a failing catalytic converter can trigger the check engine light. This part is expensive to replace and often fails because smaller issues, like bad sensors or misfires, were ignored for too long. Addressing small issues early can help you avoid these big, costly repairs and keep your car on the road longer. Remember, most car problems start small. Fixing them promptly saves you time, money, and stress in the long run. So don't panic or assume the worst when that light comes on. Start with the basics, check the simple things first, and you'll often find an easy fix. Lights on, but not flashing. Don't panic. Start with simple checks. First, tighten your gas cap until it clicks. The light may take a day or two to reset. Meanwhile, pay attention to how your car drives, any new noises, rough idling, or sluggishness. If it drives fine, it's likely not urgent. If you notice major issues, it's more serious. Do a quick visual inspection under the hood, look for loose hoses, disconnected wires, or leaks. Sometimes, a simple fix is right in front of you. These steps can save you time and money. Gather info before calling a mechanic. Be observant and proactive. If your check engine light stays on, it's time to grab an OBD2 scanner. This handy device is a must-have for any car owner who wants to understand what's going on under the hood. It's a small, affordable tool that plugs into a port under your dashboard, usually right beneath the steering wheel. Most modern cars have this port, making it easy to access. To use it, turn your ignition to the on position, then plug in the scanner. The device will power up and guide you through a few simple prompts on its screen. In just a few moments, it'll display a trouble code, like P0420 or P0301. These codes are your car's way of telling you what's wrong. Some scanners even go a step further and explain what the code means right on the screen, saving you time and confusion. If your scanner doesn't provide details, just look up the code online. Be sure to include your car's make, model, and year for the most accurate advice and troubleshooting tips. The code will point you to the general problem area, like the catalytic converter or a misfire, but it won't always tell you the exact part that needs fixing. Use this information to decide if it's something you can fix yourself, or if it's time to consult a professional mechanic for a more in-depth diagnosis. With an OBD2 scanner, you're no longer left guessing. You get real answers, fast, and can make informed decisions about your car's health. Every car owner should have one of these simple tools. It's a small investment that can save you time, money, and stress down the road. Knowing how to use a scanner is powerful, but know your limits. If the light is flashing or your car runs poorly, call a professional. Don't risk bigger damage. Severe issues need expert tools and experience. If you've tried simple fixes and the problem persists, get help. Some repairs are too complex or risky for DIY. There's no shame in letting a pro handle it. Use your knowledge to have a smart conversation with your mechanic. The goal: safe, reliable repairs at a fair price.